Today's menu is whole cabbage. It's very easy to make and very flavorful with mouth watering and good for dinner or lunch. You will be very happy if you can make this roll cabbage. So let's make the roll cabbage. It look like this. I have put some ketchup on the roll cabbage. It's very tasty inside, filled with minced meat and onion. So let's start making. So you need a cabbage, 200 grams of minced meat, some onion and consomme, soy sauce, pepper and salt to taste, consomme, some ketchup. So let's start making. Take the cabbage and slightly take one by one the whole leaf. If you can't take, you put a slight cut, then the leaf will come out very easily, like this. So I have already picked several leaves of the cabbage. So now we have to cut off this stem from the cabbage so that we can roll it. So let's steam the cabbage to make it softer. So now I am going to wash my cabbage leaves slightly. One by one. So now I have already washed my cabbage leaves very well. So let's put into the steam. So now I am going to steam the cabbage leaves for few minutes so the stem part will get soft. Then it's very easy to roll. I have already put the cabbage leaves on the steamer and place it to boil for few minutes. So now I am going to cut the onion. Dice the onion into small pieces. We take this green color, that's not good for that, and dice the onion. So I have already cut my onion dice my onion into small pieces. Take a bowl and put 200 grams of minced meat with well diced onion, soy sauce, pepper and salt to taste, mix well until everything get well combined. So after we mix the minced meat, it look like this. Keep it aside. So now our cabbage leaves are already well steamed. Let's take it out. Now we are going to take out the well steamed cabbage leaves. Look how soft the cabbage leaf after we boil it for several minutes. So we put it in the cool water to make it cold so that the temperature will go from the cabbage leaves. Slightly we throw all the water from the cabbage leaves and one by one place it like this. Squeeze softly so the water will drain. And keep it in a bowl. Cut the stem of this cabbage leaf so it's easy to roll one by one. So it look like this after you take the stem. Now we take our minced meat and we are going to roll the minced meat to the cabbage leaf. Take a full size of ball like this minced meat and keep it in like this in the cabbage and roll it like this. The both sides should be inside. Fold it inside the cabbage leaf and roll it until well. Then you take a pan place it like this. Again, then you roll it like this and keep it in the pot. Again, you take roll it like this and keep it in the pot. Repeat this again. Again in the pan. This is the last portion of our minced meat. So I have already kept my rolls, cabbage rolls in the pot. So now we are going to add some water. Add some consomme cubes, consomme soup cubes. And keep it in the cooker. So friends, now I have already kept my pot in the cooker. Now I am going to cook I have already placed this cover, and I am going to cook the whole cabbage for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's look like this. Our whole cabbage is already boiled very well. After 10 or 15 minutes, it will look like this. So we are going to put it in a plate and serve it to eat. So we are going to stop the heat. So today the menu is whole cabbage. Hope you enjoy the content. It's very easy to make. If you like spicy, you can add any kind of spiciness to up to your taste. Hope you enjoy the content. So see you in the next content. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give thumbs to my content. It will be a great help.